AquaRise is solely intended for use in hot and cold potable water distribution. The TempRite technology compound used to make AquaRise pipe, valves, and fittings can be damaged by contact with chemicals found in some construction products. Care must be taken to ensure that products contacting AquaRise are chemically compatible. Only system-compatible materials, including, but not limited to, solvent cements, caulks, and sealants, as noted in the technical manual, should be used in contact with the AquaRise system. Ensure chemical compatibility with AquaRise by checking with IPEX and the manufacturers of such common piping system components as fire stop materials, pipe insulation and adhesives, heat trace cables, wear pads or other rubber components, thread sealants. Do not expose AquaRise products to incompatible substances such as cutting oils, non-water-based paints, packing oils commonly found in pumps, traditional pipe thread paste and dope, fungicides, termiticides, insecticides, detergents, building caulks, adhesive tape, solder flux, flexible wire, or cable, with special consideration for communications cabling, and non-approved spray foam insulation materials. For more information, refer to the AquaRise technical manual or contact IPEX directly. Visit us at IPEXAquaRise.com.